Hello guys, welcome to Textbook Regulatory channel. So here I am with your RBI Grade B Phase 2 Descriptive English Strategy. डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेरीज आ रही हैं, कब आएगा रिजल्ट, और काफ़ी डिले भी हो गया. अगर हम बात करते हैं फेज़ 1 के रिजल्ट का, तो इसी वीक एक्सपेक्टेड है आपका रिजल्ट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर रिजल्ट्स. होप एवरीथिंग इज इन योर फेवर और अच्छा रहे. ठीक है, फेज़ 1 क्लियर हो तभी आप डिस्क्रिप्टिव में बहुत अच्छे से मेरे साथ मेहनत करेंगे. तो phase 1 result will be out very soon. This is the week which it in which it is expected. ठीक है, तो अब for phase 2 let us discuss about phase 2 here, descriptive English paper. Now we of course know the pattern. Here is your phase 2 syllabus. If I say in this writing skills paper 2 English writing skills, we have to type, and 90 minutes are given for 3 questions. This will be for 100 marks, 3 questions, 100 marks, and you will get 90 minutes time. So what is the syllabus of descriptive and how do we prepare? Now, 3 main questions: Pressy writing, RC and essay. These are the 3 questions you will get in the exam. For 90 minutes you will get the time, and 100 marks will be allotted marks weightage for this part. तो प्रेसी, आरसी और एसए कैसे आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, वर्ड लिमिट क्या है, डिटेल्स क्या है, इसकी देख लेते हैं. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए गाइस, 30 मार्क्स ऐसे, 30 मार्क्स प्रेसी एंड 40 मार्क्स आपका आरसी रहेगा. 90 मिनट्स सेक्शन टाइम नहीं है, मतलब यू कैन अटेम्प्ट एनी क्वेश्चन विच यू वांट फर्स्ट. अब बेस्ट क्या होगा, फर्स्ट वेदर टू डू एसए और आरसी और प्रेसी, यू हैव टू सी. ठीक है, तो वो एक स्ट्रैटेजी आपको बनानी पड़ेगी, कौन सा पहले हम टाइप करें. तो आपके पास ये तीनों हैं जो आपको अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज योर वर्ड लिमिट. Unlike your bank exams, other exams, here you have to type a lot. ठीक है, वर्ड लिमिट काफी है. अगर हम ऐसे की बात करते हैं तो आपको कम से कम 600 वर्ड्स, 400 to 600 वर्ड्स रहता है एवरेज. 600 वर्ड्स तक की प्रैक्टिस करनी है ऐसे के लिए. प्रेसी राइटिंग विच इज योर समरी राइटिंग is for 200 words. So usually from the original paragraph, after reading original, you have to write a summary in your own words. This will be approximately 200 words. And RC based questions will be there. Now in objective phase 1, you of course marked the answers for RC questions. Here you will have to type your answers from the passage. Of course you will look for the answers in the passage and type accordingly. So RC is usually 5 to 6 questions that they give. Okay, so RC you will get 5 to 6 questions, and per question will be 50 words. Per question will be 50 words. Small answers for each passage based question. So these three are your major, you can say, syllabus, your syllabus. Now what is the topic which we can expect? What are the topic types you can expect? If we look at the previous year trend of topics for essay writing, you will understand, based on current scenario, climate change is always a hot topic. Indian e-rupee, own digital currency. Okay, so you will get multiple choices, 4 to 5 topics. You have to select one. But how will you prepare? I will probably give you a list of topics. Okay, next I will come up with a list of topics for all of you which we should prepare and go, because these are the most expected topics, which are current topics, also related to your banking news. Okay, here you can check, for example, need of multilinguistic social media accounts for businesses. Okay, employees focus on personal value and purpose in the organization. What are the measures you have to suggest for organization culture? Okay, and definitely there will be 1 or 2 topics which are related to direct your banking knowledge. Okay, banking awareness. Then we have Pressy, where you have to summarize the original paragraph and in your own words. This comes from newspapers like the Hindu Economic Times. RC is the last one, which is the most scoring according to me, because based on the paragraph, from the para you will get your answers. Now, key points: you always have to complete the given word limit. You must adhere to the word limit. The format must be correct. Like for essay, it is like definitely paragraphs. Here, there is no format that you will have to mug up. It is basic paragraph form you have to write. Grammar is the most important thing, because if there is machine checking, automated checking, even if you are making small grammar errors, marks will be deducted for it. So while typing, you do not have to switch on autocorrect. Type in a way where you can later check your grammar errors also and correct and work on those. Content is the king. Definitely the more because essay you have to write up to 600 words. You should have good content. Content quality must be there. Good points, latest data, examples, that all we have to add in the essay. And the flow. You have to understand, if you are talking about the giving the definition of the topic, that will come first, then data, then examples, specific examples, and then suggestions, feedback in the conclusion part. So there has to be a flow which has to be maintained. So we'll do a sample essay also in the classes, where I will show you how this works, right? Now, time management. How will you manage? Okay. Proofreading, definitely you have to keep 5 minutes separate for proofreading. Apart from that, I feel if we have to manage the time, essay you should give maximum because it is the highest weightage, plus it is of course 600 words, right? Acha, essay is more like here I can see 40 marks is essay only. Okay. So you need to plan 400 to 600 words. Then also, type. You have to have you can say some content in mind. Then only you will be able to type. You have to structure your essay. So 35 to 40 minutes you have to give for essay. 25 to 30 minutes you need to give to the Prezi, where you will write your rough points and then you will, in your own words, draft a paragraph summary of the original para. RC, you will take 20 to 25. This will be the easiest part you can keep for the last 4 to 5 questions. Okay, or in the starting if you want to complete it first. But essay will take a lot of your time. So you can divide the time in a manner where you will give most important is where you will give maximum time to your essay part, which will take most of your time. So this strategy, how to go about it when you are doing a full length paper of descriptive, you will understand. But you have to take out 5 minutes at the end just to check everything, spelling, grammar, everything is in place, right? Or in fact, I would say you will need 2 to 3 minutes in the beginning also to understand, to select the topic, to again structure, to do your rough work, okay, whatever pointers you want to write. Not exactly detailed pointers, but in our mind we of course structure. For example, if I get an essay topic, I'll know, okay, definition I'll write in the introduction paragraph. This is how I'll explain in the body paragraph with examples. These are the two prominent major examples I'll give. Then I'll give this data point which I remember from my current affairs learning. So that we of course think in our mind and then we start typing, right? So that you'll need time in the beginning also. Now, what and how to prepare? See, content is the major part here. So I would suggest you in extensive reading, read editorials, which I also share on my Telegram daily. So editorial is very good for your content part. Even if you watch English news channels, you'll get good content, present, updated content. Writing practice from day one. You need to start typing. Even if you're starting with small, for example, you're reading one editorial, writing the summary, that will be a very good practice. Understand the paper format, work on grammar and vocab. Even I would say spellings. Even basic vocab is okay for your descriptive, but basic words, you don't need very fancy words, but still work on your grammar and spellings part. That is a major part where you may lose marks. Then typing practice is definitely words per minute. You have to understand it has to be 40 words, 30 to 40 words, average words per minute, so that you're able to complete your paper on time, right? So these are the things you need to work on. And for this we have an interface also. Okay, here I have not shown you the interface, but Testbook has a proper interface where you type, you submit your answers, you get feedback on your responses also. For phase 2 descriptive, you'll get feedback. Other than that, I am here for your help. If you are like, if you feel you're getting stuck with content or you're not able to understand how do I practice, you have no writing practice, okay, and you're starting afresh, you need help, you can reach out to me on Telegram as well. Okay, so I'll just show you. We have in our course itself, on our website only, you will find the interface for grade B, of course, descriptive practice. Do check it out, start typing, submit your answers. You will get a feedback, detailed feedback with analysis, points, your mistakes, and then you work on it. See, this comes with practice. There is no shortcut. You have to start typing. You have to start, whether it is anything small also, you have to start typing. ठीक है, तो ये आपका कोर्स अवेलेबल है गाइस, ये आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा लिंक फॉर द कोर्स. यू कैन यूज द कूपन कोड हर्षिता HRSHITA and apply for discount. This is your 6, 12, 24 month super pack in which you get all your regulatory exams, classes, videos, descriptive interface, everything. So try this, right? And yeah, here guys, any queries, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.